In this quick tutorial, let's see how to make your WooCommerce variable products automatically inherit ratings and reviews from older simple products. Let's say earlier you sold two simple products, red t-shirt and blue t-shirt, each with its own reviews. Now, you've created a single variable product called t-shirt with color variations red and blue with 0 reviews. Even though those older simple products had real customer reviews, your new variable product now shows 0 reviews. To fix this, copy the code snippet from our blog post and add it using the Code Snippets plugin or your child themes functions.php file. In this snippet, the array maps the new product ID to the IDs of the existing simple products whose reviews it should inherit. Once activated, let's reload our variable product page. Here you see the average rating and review count now automatically reflect the combined data from all linked products without any manual updates needed. That's how you can inherit review ratings on WooCommerce variable or grouped products and keep your product credibility intact.